I'm Mama Cass, welcome to my channel, thank you for joining me. I'm going to make cuticle oil for cuticles, take off, and make a couple of each fragrance. These are 5ml little bottles. I'm really going to be working in small amounts. We have to take these little bits off, pulling it on more than taking it off. There you go. So that's our little bottles. I'm going to add these to the little bottles first, and then, because I really don't want to add too much, and then we'll make up the oil in there, because if there's anything left over I can add that to a batch of hair oil that I want to do. So this is rose fragrance oil from Craftastic. We will literally do a drop in each. One. And then in this one, we will add, one moment, cuticle oil. We've got some vitamin E oil, which is just really want to just squirt. It helps keep some preservative. It's also very good for you as well. Then I'm going to add a little bit of, now this one's a thick oil, but and colours, but it's so good for the skin. I want it in there. I'm gonna pour in like a minimal amount, because we then want to blend that down with some thinner oil. I've also got some jojoba oil, which is really good for skin, anything skin related. So 3 squirts of that, and then I've got kernel oil. I'm going to add some a tiny amount of apricot kernel. Ooh. Like that. I did have some argan oil somewhere and I can't find it. So that's all my oils to blend together. I think we'll do one more squirt of jojoba. I'm going to put my little funnel in there and in there. Let's see. Now we can put the little lids on, little roller balls. Push it down. Oh, that takes it out. Okay. Get it mixed in with the oil. There it comes. I'll put some little labels on them. Ta-da! That's a lovely oil.